setting categories. After building and optimizing over 500 Google My Business listings, we've seen a significant increase in leads for the listings that have been correctly categorized. But sometimes it's difficult to work out what category you should be listed in. So we use a great tool called GMB Everywhere. Simply download the extension, open it up, and do a search for your service in your location. Now scroll through the listings and you'll see a button located next to the listings. Click on this and it will open the tool. Now you will see a ton of suggestions for categories you can use. Now in the listing settings, start putting in categories that are directly related to your service. Pro tip.
Man, these guys, they're real pros, man.
Once you have these categories on your listing, go into your website and start building pages dedicated to the category. So for example, if you've chosen the category landscape designer, you should now build a page dedicated to landscape design. Google will match up the data on your listing and on your website, and you will rank for more keywords. Make the pages you build contain around 750 words of content each, and title the page the same as the category on your business listing. The title is what you see before you click through to the website when you do a Google search. So for example, if you have chosen the category landscape designer, you should now build a page with the same title and optimize the content with the keyword landscape designer. I've put a link in the description on how to fully optimize a local service page if you need it. Now submit the page to Google and watch your Google My Business listing go up through the rankings, netting you more leads in the process.